Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. My focus is higher protein, higher fiber, and great healthy fats. So I had a friend reach out to me a few days ago asking me if I had a great breakfast cookie recipe. She needed something that was really quick, great for meal prep, great for on the go. So I had to think about it because I have not made a breakfast cookie in a while. So I went through some of my older recipes and I did find one that I made a little while ago and that I really enjoyed. So these breakfast cookies do not have any dairy, they do not have eggs, and they do not have oil. So this recipe is, I would say, a master copy type of recipe where it's really one recipe that you can customize in so many different ways. So I'm going to show you 3 versions of this recipe. So I'm going to show you a banana version, an apple version, and a sweet potato version. So this recipe is naturally sweetened. I use maple syrup, but you can use whatever sugar you like. It has nut butter, but you can also use seed butter. You can really use any nut or seed butter that you like. And some add-ins as well, which you can definitely customize. There will be some chia seeds in here, some hemp seeds, so some for really great omega-3s, protein, healthy fats, and also great healthy fats from the nut butter and seed butter. We're using oats. We're going to be using gluten-free oats. I actually have been loving the sprouted gluten-free oats, so they're a lot better for digestion. So those are the ones I've been using recently. So I'm also going to show you how you can actually make this more of a breakfast type meal and really elevate the protein. So I'm going to show you that a little later. So why don't we make these delicious breakfast cookies 3 different ways. Let's start with banana nut breakfast cookies. We're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. We're going to mash 1 medium banana, so it's equivalent to half a cup. We're going to be doing some nut butter here. This is a 1/4 cup of almond butter and about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm adding some cinnamon, and we're going to give that a little stir. Now we're going to add some chia seeds, hemp seeds, and some pumpkin seeds. And we're going to give that a stir. A little salt, that's optional. And I'm adding some dates. Chopped dates. You can do raisins, you can do cranberries, whatever you like. And 1 cup of sprouted gluten-free rolled oats. And then we're just going to mix everything together until it comes together and everything is well hydrated. This recipe makes 6 large breakfast cookies, so you just want to divide the batter and make 6 even-sized cookies. And you can also double the recipe if you like. And now we're going to shape them into rounds, as round as you can, and we're going to flatten them. And now it's time to bake. We're going to bake at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes or so. Here are your banana nut breakfast cookies. Next is our apple pie breakfast cookie. We're starting off with half a cup of applesauce. This is organic. 1/4 cup of almond butter. Again, you can use any nut or seed butter. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Any sweetener will do. Hemp seeds, chia seeds, cinnamon, and salt. And give that a mix. One cup of sprouted oats and some pecans. I love the combination of apple and pecans together. Now, instead of dried fruit, I'm actually going to add 1/3 cup of a diced apple. Usually it would be a dried fruit of some kind, but I chose to do a fresh apple for this recipe. Again, 6 cookies. We're going to shape them in rounds and flatten them. We're going to bake 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. And here are your apple pie breakfast cookies. And our last cookie is our sweet potato breakfast cookie. Half a cup of roasted mashed sweet potato, almond butter. We're going to add some maple syrup again, and we're going to mix that together till it's smooth. Chia seeds, hemp seeds, salt, and cinnamon. And your oats. I'm also adding some pumpkin seeds. I actually chose not to add any dried fruit to this recipe, but that's completely up to you. It actually makes them less sweet. So again, it's 6 cookies. We're going to flatten them again and bake 375, 10 to 12 minutes. And here are your sweet potato breakfast cookies. Enjoy these soft, protein, high fiber breakfast cookies. Let's make a breakfast cookie yogurt bowl. This is half a cup of Greek yogurt with half a serving of protein powder. You're going to mix that through. And then I'm going to crumble one of the breakfast cookies. This is the apple pie. And then I'm going to add half of a chopped apple. And I'm going to sprinkle it with cinnamon. This has over 20 grams of protein and is perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout snack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try our healthy breakfast cookie recipe, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.